Hey, this is Adrian on behalf of TechSocial.com. Today we're taking a look at Haiku Deck. Haiku Deck is a really great, unique way to create presentations on the iPad. It really takes the notion of making presentations in a much simpler format and much more elegant way. So this is Haiku Deck. You can see in the main menu, you can sign in the bottom left to your account. You can go into your gallery if you have anything saved in your gallery here. You can also add a new presentation by clicking the plus button, or go into the settings by clicking the little gear in the bottom right. So you can see here, commercial images only. You can do auto capitalization, that sort of stuff. You can also get information on all relative buttons here. So again, you can just click that help button. Now, you can go into the What is Haiku Deck here to see your current slides. So they have this little presentation slide that looks really, really beautiful here. So you can see here, this is just the default one they provide you with. And you can see the transitions, the beautiful images, and the really great text and typography that goes into making these presentations. So going back here, you can see here's one I created earlier on as a test here. And again, same thing, you can just create really, really awesome looking presentations using really great images here. So let's go ahead and create one. So what we can do here is hit the plus button to create one, and we'll name it. So in this case, we'll call it, let's say, presentation. So we'll make a presentation on presentation, for example. So we'll hit that, and what it does here is it loads you a slide. It goes in and it finds slides that you can use here, and you can set a theme by pulling down the top here. So you can see there's multiple themes. You can go with cinematic look, and we'll go with that cinematic look. I really like that feel. So you can see the text kind of changes there. You can adjust the text format, so you can click on the text right here, and you can adjust the format easily right here, so you can change how you want your slide to appear. Then you can add images. Now, adding images is really great because it goes through a royalty-free search, so that any image you use, you know you have rights to use it in this sort of presentation format. So again, I can say, let's say in this case, I want a presentation on slides. So I'll hit search, and what I'll do is I'll go through and find presentations or pictures that I can use for this presentation royalty free. You don't have to worry about finding finding images and then you might accidentally get a copyrighted image or anything like that. You can really just find images that you're allowed to use, and it even gives you tags. So you can go through tags here and find specific things. So I can click on like modern, for example, and get anything that matches a modern tag. And I really like this image right here. So I can click it, and I can say text background yes, and now I got that as my background very simply and super easy. Lastly, I can click the layout and I can change the layout. So if I want the title up here or over there, I can easily just change that once I decide to add a title. So this, we'll say, is the title. Put that right there, and you can even put a subtitle, and I'll say, for example, Tech Social. All right, so again, now you can just change the format as you like, adjust it, and simply hit done when you got it the way that you like it. And then you can add more slides from there, or you can go in the top right and play it. And then you go to full screen mode, and you can easily view your presentation that simply. You also have options to go out and share it once you sign in, so you can log into your Facebook and Twitter and go out and share your presentation. This is Haiku Deck, a great free application for the iPad, and really is a great new way to make and create presentations on the iPad. It really changes this device into more of a content creation device, making really elegant, really simple to use and share presentations. Check it out in the App Store today.